Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In today's lecture, I will paint the idea of distribution system, especially the AC distribution system, how it is planned and worked. So, as you know that AC has been adopted universally because of its ease to step down or step up at different stages. So that is why high voltage is transmitted and is stepped down as per with the help of AC transformers. AC distribution system as a whole can be divided into two main parts. The first one is the primary distribution system and the second one is the secondary distribution system. Primary distribution system has been elaborated with the help of figure 12.2. In this case, the high voltage transmission line, which is terminated in a substation that converts that transmission voltages to the primary voltages of 11 kV, which are used as the voltage of the feeder line. So these voltages are further supplied to the big consumers on their way to the city. So the big consumers like factories, etc., are directly connected with these feeders of 11 kilovolts, and this is called the primary distribution system. Different substations are also connected with this uh, primary distribution system in order to provide the alternate source or improve the reliability of the system. Here in this diagram you can see that three substations, substation 1, 2 and 3, are connected with the main bus bars of 11 kV to provide voltage to the big consumers, factories, etc. This is the overall primary distribution system. In the secondary distribution system, the 11 kV voltage is further stepped down from 11 kV to 400 volts. These are further distributed to the consumers at public. Normally consumers require a low voltage of 230 volts or 400 volts, etc. Consumers may require three-phase or single-phase circuits as per their requirement. So if there is a fact in the city that requires three-phase circuit, it is provided a three-phase load, while the houses are normally given the single phase as shown. So our distribution transformer, which is usually a star delta circuit, has 3 wires in its primary and 4 wires in its secondary. These 4 wires, known also as the distributors, run along the consumer vicinities so that the connections may be distributed through service mains to their houses or areas. Here are four different customers connected with the main 3 voltage main 400 volt supply. House number 1 is connected with a single phase in the third phase line, while the house number 2 receives the single phase from the Y circuit, and similarly house number 3 receives the single phase from the 4th circuit, while their neutrals are connected to the same line. And similarly a third subscriber or consumer. It may be a factory, small factory, uh, receiving the three-phase voltages from this four-wire circuit. That is the architecture of the secondary distribution system. So that's all uh, from my side to explain the AC distribution system for your purposes. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.